Let's do a review today of 24Option. 24Option is an EU-regulated binary options broker. They are one of the largest binary option brokers that exist in the world. It's very important when trading to trade with a regulated binary options broker because this way, you're not dealing with a online casino, but an actual financial organization that follows the regulatory guidelines of their country. When we look at the 24Option trading platform, they have a very unique trading platform and offer, as you can see over here on the left hand side, many varieties of currency pairs to trade with. For example, the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen, as opposed to some brokers that only have the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. This gives you a lot more options in choosing currency pairs that are highly volatile. The high-low option is basically a regular up-down binary option. For example, if we go with the Euro US dollar, we have the option of choosing from 6 different expiry time frames. Current time is 10:02, for example. So we have one that expires in 8 minutes, or we can go all the way out to an hour and a half at 11:30. And as you change the time frame for expiration of the binary option, you'll notice that the profit changes from 75% up to 83%. If we want to move out to June 30th, for example, today is June 20th, it's 10 days from now, it drops to 65%. So you can really play around a lot with the different option expiration times and change the potential returns. The short-term options are varying from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes, and you'll also see over here 30-second option for the euro is 67% return, but the 5-minute option on the euro has a 75% return. One of the unique features in 24Option is their boundary options, which I'm not sure. Oh, here they are. The euro boundary option is very interesting because if you focus over here on the right side, you'll see that the euro is currently trading at 136.14, with the upper and lower bands being just 4 pips away. This is an incredible trade because many forex brokers, the trades in general are, not the trades, the spreads on the forex trading is only 2, 3, 4 pips wide. Here you have an opportunity to say, okay, in the next half hour, is the euro going to be inside of the band or outside of the band? Right now, the spread of the band is only 10 pips wide. If there's any economic data being released, there's a high probability that the euro is going to move outside of that band. Every hour, 24Options will list the new boundary option or range option, as other people call it. And this is something for traders who can take a few minutes and pre-plan their trading strategies or plan a trade for the next day around a certain economic release. The problem is that 24Option doesn't list the boundary options when you're going into a FOMC announcement or a ECB or BOE announcement. However, a trader can easily watch the tape and see where the underlying currency is moving and wait an hour till after the announcement and open up a boundary position. On the certain times when the markets are quiet, midday or evening hours, you're able to take a inside the boundary option that the euro is just going to zigzag up and down, and expire in another 40 minutes, basically in the same place that it started from. The high yield boundary option is something which we never do. um, I can't see it over here because it's too early in the morning. Um, but the ranges, it's very similar to the ladder options that other brokers offer, where they'll offer a 500% return if the euro closes in 2 hours at 139, which is has a less than a 1% probability of happening ever. So it's a cute concept, but no one actually trades it. While reviewing 24 option, they're large, they're good, they're a big broker. Every month they come out with new promotions. They're always running this $24,000 trading competition, which is not always 24,000. Every month it changes its total price. The rules change, but it's a month-to-month competition, and it has to do with high volume traders. For example, over here you can see we're up to the 20th of the month, and this trader already placed 3,300 trades. So it's very active. But if we look down at the full leaderboard, we'll see the person running in 15th place is at up to 700 trades, which is also pretty heavy volume. A current Their current promotion for new traders is, if you look at the bottom over here, you'll see register now and get $24 free, no investment required. One of the greatest offers that 24Option has ever put out there, and it gives traders a chance to live trade their new account with $24, which is basically one trade. If you look in the description below, you'll see we constantly update the links to the special bonus offers from 24Option. Occasionally they have 100% bonuses. They have free iPad giveaways and other interesting promotions. And that's our current review of 24Option. If you would like to read more reviews of regulated or unregulated brokers, we welcome you to visit our website, scambroker.com. That's right, scambroker.com, where you'll find reviews and information about over 40 different binary option brokers. Thank you.